Timberbuild Dog Kennels specialise in the manufacture of dog kennels and covered runs based on versatile kennel styles which can be tailored to the specific needs of dogs and their handlers. This is a family-run business with over 15 years of experience and excellent service to a wide range of customers. Timberbuild supplied dog kennels to a large number of police forces throughout the UK, gamekeepers, search and rescue services, breeders, and of course the dog owner. For all types of customer requirement, we can produce excellent solutions from basic kennels to more complex bespoke systems. All our designs are easy to assemble with pre-drilled screwed joints and intelligent extras such as anti-chew strip, galvanised bar infills and easy base location onto hard standings. All kennels are built with pride by our skilled craftsmen using 5th Scandinavian redwood from sustainable forests. Wood is preserved by a non-harmful dipping process and the roof is protected using 38 kg mineral felt. Fittings are galvanised to prevent rust, as are our 10-gauge mesh panels. Call us now for a no-obligation quote, or just to get some expert advice on which is the best solution for your needs.